All species of anthropoid apes live in the forests of the tropical zone. Although species vary greatly in appearance, lifestyle and habits, their body shapes have many common characteristics. Males are usually much bigger than females. They have no tails. Their trunks are short and get wider towards the base, and their upper limbs are longer than the lower ones. They can walk on 2 legs, but they usually move about on all 4s or hanging from branches. Chimpanzees live in mixed groups in the rainforests of West and East Africa. The number of group members varies, ranging from 6 to 60, and groups are led by a dominant male. As opposed to other herbivorous anthropoids, chimpanzees are omnivorous. Although they mostly eat fruits, leaves and buds, they also consume large amounts of proteins of animal origin, insects, larvae, and small mammals. Earlier, bonobos were believed to be a subspecies of chimpanzees, and thus were called pygmy chimpanzees. Since then, it has been discovered that they are a separate species that diverged from the common chimpanzee 2.5 million years ago. Nowadays, free-living bonobos can only be found in the Congo basin. Like chimpanzees, they also live in mixed groups, composed of males, females, and young. But bonobo groups are dominated by females. They eat mostly plants, but they also consume small vertebrates, worms, and insects. Their weights and heights are not significantly different from those of chimpanzees. However, they look smaller due to their more gracile build. Mountain gorillas live high up in the mountains of Central Africa, in the so-called cloud forests. Compared to other gorilla species, they have longer and darker hair, so they can survive in places where the temperature falls below 0. Male gorillas become sexually mature at the age of 13. This is when their back becomes silvery. Every family, usually consisting of 6 to 16 members, is led by a dominant male with a silvery back. Mountain gorillas are diurnal. They spend most of their active time feeding, since they require large quantities of food to sustain their bodies. They eat shoots and buds. They spend more time on the ground than any other primate. However, they are ready to climb trees for fruits, if trees can support their weight.